Yo, what's up everyone? It's Bilal. So, you're thinking about diving into the world of coding, huh? It's 2023, almost 2024, and coding is only getting bigger. Problem is, there are like a million different languages out there, and it can be confusing knowing where to even start. Well, in this video, we're breaking down the absolute best programming languages to learn in 2025. We're talking languages that are in high demand, pay really well, and can set you up for an awesome career in the tech world. Let's get to it. Okay, before we dive into the specific languages, let's talk about why coding is such a valuable skill right now, especially as we head into 2025 and beyond. First off, the job market for coders is absolutely exploding. We're talking massive demand in fields like artificial intelligence, web development, cybersecurity, you name it. These are high-paying, creative, and in-demand roles that companies are fighting to fill. And here's the thing, coding is a future-proof skill. Automation is changing a lot of industries, but guess what? Someone needs to code those automated systems. Learning to code equips you with skills that will be relevant for years, even decades to come. Plus, coding gives you this incredible flexibility that a lot of traditional jobs just don't have. So, yeah, learning to code is definitely worth it. Alright, so let's get into the good stuff. The actual programming languages you should be learning in 2025. I'm going to keep it simple and focus on 3 beginner-friendly languages that are in high demand: Python, JavaScript, and either Swift or Kotlin for mobile development. First up, we've got Python. This language is known for its clean and readable syntax, which makes it perfect for beginners. It's like learning to code in plain English. Plus, Python is incredibly versatile. It's used everywhere, in data science, machine learning, AI, web development, even automation. Next, we've got JavaScript. JavaScript is primarily known for front-end web development, think interactive websites and web apps. With Node.js, you can actually use JavaScript for back-end development too, which means you can build entire web applications with just one language. Finally, we've got Swift and Kotlin. These languages are primarily used for mobile app development, Swift for iOS and Kotlin for Android. Okay, so now that we've covered the why and the what, let's talk about how to actually get started with coding. And the good news is, it's easier than you might think. Step 1. Pick one language to focus on. I know it's tempting to jump into all of them, but trust me, it's much more effective to get really good at one language before moving on to others. So choose the language that most interests you based on what we talked about earlier: Python, JavaScript, Swift, or Kotlin. Step 2. Find a free online course or tutorial. There are tons of amazing resources out there like Free Code Camp, Codecademy, the Odin Project, Khan Academy. The list goes on and on. Pick one that fits your learning style and just start coding along. Step 3, and this is key: build projects. Seriously, the best way to learn is by doing. Start with small, manageable projects like a to-do list app, a simple calculator, or a basic website. As you gain more skills, you can gradually take on more challenging projects. Step 4, join online communities. Alright, I'm going to make this even easier for you. I've put together a list of some of the best free resources for each of the languages we talked about. And don't worry, I'll link all of these in the description below so you can check them out. For Python, you can't go wrong with Free Code Camp's Python curriculum. It's completely free and covers everything from the basics to more advanced concepts. For JavaScript, the Odin Project is an incredible free resource that takes you from complete beginner to job-ready developer. It's project-based, which means you'll be building real-world projects as you learn. Another great option is Scrimba, which offers interactive JavaScript tutorials that let you play with the code right in your browser. If you decide to go the mobile app route, both Google and Apple offer extensive documentation and tutorials for their respective languages. The point is, there are tons of free resources out there. So there you have it, the best programming languages to learn in 2025 and beyond, and all the resources you need to get started for free. Remember, learning to code is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of debugging, but trust me, the rewards are well worth it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech guides and tutorials. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and keep crushing it. Peace.